Good afternoon. Today we will talk about class 10 maths exercise 1.4. So our first question is, without actually performing the long division, instead whether the following rational number will have the terminating decimal expansion or a non-terminating. So our first question is 13 upon 3125. So as you know that rule is, if the denominator has only factors of 2 and 5, only factor 2 and 5, or in the form of 2 into 2 की power m into 5 की power n, then it has a terminating decimal expansion. If the denominator has factors other than 2 and 5, then it has a non-terminating decimal. This is rule. So our first question is 13 upon 3125. So factorizing the denominator. So factorizing the denominator, we get 3 1 2 5 by 5. So 5 6 30, 12. Okay, so 5 2 10. Okay, 25, 5 25. Okay, then 5 1 5, 1 carry, 5 2 10, then 25, 5 25, 5 2 10, 25, 5 5 25, 5 5 25, 5 1 5. So we get 5 3 1 2 5 is equal to 5 cross 5 cross 5 cross 5 cross 5. So 5 की power 5. Okay, since the denominator has only 5 as its factor, so 13 upon 3125 has a terminating decimal expansion. Okay, since the denominator has only 5 as its factor, so 13 upon 3125 has a terminating decimal expansion. Okay, now next question, 17 upon 8. So factorizing the denominator, we get factorizing the denominator, we get we get 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, 2 की power 3. Since the denominator has only 2 as its factor, so 17 upon 8 has a terminating decimal numbers. Okay, since the denominator has only 2 as its factor, denominator has only 2 as its factor, so 17 upon 8 has a terminating decimal expansion. Now next question is (64 upon 455). 64 upon 455. So factorizing the denominator, we get 455 by 5, 5 9s are 45, 5 1s are 5, 7, 7 1s are 7, 2 carry 21, so 7 3s are 21, 13 1s are 13. So 455 is equal to 5 7 cos 30. Since the denominator is not in the form of 2 into 5, since the denominator is not in the form of 2 की power m into 5 की power n, so 64 upon 455 has a non-terminating decimal expansion, non-terminating decimal expansion. Okay. Fourth question is 15 upon 600. Fourth question is 15 upon 600, 600, 1600, sorry. Factorizing the denominator, we get 1600, so 2 8s are 16, 2 0 ACAC, 2 4s are 8, 2 0 ACAC, 2 2s are 4, 2 0 as it is, 2 1s are 2, 2 0 as it is, 2 5s are 10, 15, 2 2s are 5, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, 10, 2 5s are 10, 5, just a minute, 25, 5 5s are and 5 1s are 5. Okay, so we get 1600 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 so 2 की power 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 5 की power 2. So since the denominator in the form of 2 into 2 की power m into 5 की power n, since the denominator has in the form of is in the form of 2 की power m into 5 की power n. So 15 upon 1600 has a terminating decimal number, okay, terminating decimal expansion. Okay, now fifth question and last question. Question 5 is 29 upon 343. 29 upon 343. So factorizing the denominator, we get 343 7 4s are 28, then 3, so 63, 7 9s are 63, 7 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7. So 343 is equal to 7 into 7 into 7, so 7 की power 3. Since the denominator is not in the form of 2 की power m and 5 की power n, so 29 upon 343 has a non-terminating decimal expansion. Okay, so this is our last question for today. Thank you so much.